Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be exploring the printing and packaging industry and how Motion Control Products has your all-in-one solution, exclusively tailored to your application. We will look at the specific product ranges that are used within this industry, highlighting their key features and exploring the different applications they can be used in. Let's start with our Industrial Linear Electric Actuators. The stroke can be precisely tailored for your specific printing and packaging needs. The versatility of these actuators, compatible with various motors, allows for unmatched precision and speed. These heavy-duty actuators have accuracy levels as high as plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, reaching speeds beyond 1 meter per second for ball screw-driven actuators and 2 meters per second for belt-driven actuators. Also, our LEC series is equipped with a dustproof design, which is ideal for sensitive environments like clean rooms. These actuators can handle X, Y, and Z axes effortlessly. So these actuators are perfect for applications from printing to intricate packaging operations. Now let's talk about human-machine interface, or HMIs, tailored for efficiency and versatility. Our Kinco HMI seamlessly integrates with most PLCs, offering a cost-effective solution for diverse industrial applications. With two series options, Future and Green, you can choose the one that best suits your application. You can explore the configuration further with Kinco's D tools, enabling easy customization of HMI interfaces. Whether it's the Green series or the powerful Cortex A9 processor in the Future series, Kinco has you covered. Now let's talk about our range of servo motors and accessories. Our motors offer superior precision, dynamic performance, and high-speed operation, all crucial for the demanding world of printing and packaging. These motors come with customizability features, feedback mechanisms for precise positioning, and an energy-efficient design. From AC servo motors to DC brushless servo motors, our range covers diverse voltage inputs. Finally, let's talk about our range of CNC and motion controllers. These controllers interpret instructions, synchronize movements, and ensure efficient production in the automated printing and packaging industry. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of automated printing and packaging, where precision meets innovation. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos. If you want to find out more about this range of products, use the contact details on the screen or in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.